Hi students, good morning to everyone. So dear first standard students, in previous class we know the numbers from 1 to 9. So today's class is going to be different. So today we only solve some questions. All of you have workbook with you. So if you don't bring, then bring it now and open it. So you can see here, this is the workbook for first standard. So today we are going to solve some questions of mathematics which is given in workbook. So everyone open it. So you can see here, spatial understanding, lesson 1, spatial understanding, which we already discussed in previous classes. So first thing, can you remember top bottom? Can you remember top bottom? Just think about it and remember it. Top. For example, this is a pencil is here. This is the top and this is the bottom. So now top and bottom, we can solve the questions of top and bottom. So read the questions properly. So this is the main important thing. So read now. Color the marbles at the top yellow and marbles at the bottom green. So you can see here some marbles are there. You can color the marbles at the top yellow and marbles at the bottom green. You can see here only two lines is there. So you color the marbles at the top yellow and marbles at the bottom green, means this part is top and this part is bottom. So these lines are top and these lines are bottom. So you get all, you color this with yellow color. You can use only color pencils. You can use yellow color pencil, not use sketch pen. So you can color all these with yellow color and this all in green color. Understood? So now color the top bricks blue and bottom bricks orange, means this is the top. This line you should color with blue, top blue, bottom orange. So this line you color orange. Understood everyone? When you are filling colors in these boxes, you should fill properly. It don't touch second line and the bottom line also don't touch this line. So you should fill properly and use only color pencils. Don't use sketch pens. So now come to here. Color the squirrel brown, that is on the tree, and yellow, that is under the tree. So remember again. What you remember now? Yes, very good. Under and on and under. I will give you some examples about on and under. Just remember which one is on and which one is under. You can identify here also. This squirrel is sitting on the tree and this squirrel is sitting under the tree. So what is given here? Color the squirrels brown, that is color the squirrel brown, that is on the tree, means this squirrel you can color brown color, and yellow, that is under the tree, and this color, this squirrel you color yellow because this squirrel is sitting under the tree. Brown, that is on the tree, and yellow, that is under the tree. All of you understood? Now move to next question. Yes, you can see here what is written here. Inside and outside. All of you remember about inside and outside? I hope so. I also gave you some examples. Some students, two boys are standing outside the room and one girl is standing inside the room. If you forget, then also you can watch these videos once again. You can go to my channel and open playlist. In that playlist you can find first standard math. In first standard math you get all these videos and you can watch it once again. Then you come to know top, bottom, on, under, inside, outside, all these things. If you forget, then watch it again. So now solve the questions. Circle the boy or a girl outside. You can see here. You can watch properly in your book and you can see here. Here one girl is sitting inside the bus and boy is standing outside the bus. So what should you do here? Circle the boy or a girl outside. Circle the boy or a girl outside. Only you circle the outside. So this boy is outside, that's why you circle it, and this boy is outside, that's why you circle it. Understood everyone? Now question number 2. Draw 2 marbles inside the box and 2 balls outside the box. You should draw 2 marbles. This is the box. Here you can draw 2 marbles which is inside the box, and you can draw 2 balls. You can draw 2 balls here which is outside the box. Understood? This is inside and this is outside. Now come to question number 3. Read the question properly. Yes, try to read. Tick the things that are inside. You can tick the things that are inside. Tick means this is tick symbol, means correct symbol. Tick the things that are inside. Only you tick which is present inside. So tick, these things are inside, so you tick. These things are inside, then you tick. These things are inside, you tick. So you only tick the which things are inside. All of you understood? So next go to next question, above and below. I hope all of you remember above and below. I already give you one example. Remember, one girl is sitting in a classroom and the fan is above the girl and the girl is sitting below the fan. All of you remember? Then if you don't remember, then watch the videos again, then you can understand. So now solve the questions. Here what is given? Draw. Draw means you should start drawing here. 2 triangles and a star below the lines. 2 triangles and a star below the line. Here one line is given, you should draw 2 triangles. You can draw here 2 triangles. I can draw 2 triangles. These triangles don't touch this line, and one star. One star, like you can draw properly and color it. Just I simply draw here 2 triangles and 1 star below the line. Now 3 circles and 2 squares above the line. So this line is given, below the line you draw, here above the line means here you draw 3 circles. These are the circles, and 2 square, these are the squares. Like you can draw it properly. Understood? So below and above, here you draw below, here you draw above the line, here below the line. Now go to question. Next question. What is given here? You can see here, fill in the blanks with above and below. Fill in the blanks with above and below. Fill in the blanks with above and below. So here is the blanks. Here the blanks is given, you should fill it. The circle is dash the line. Here is one line, here is one circle. So circle is where? Above the line or below the line? Yes, very good. The circle is above the line. So here you write above the line. Then the moon is dash the cloud. Here is the moon, here is the cloud. So moon is above the cloud or below the cloud? Yes, very good students. Moon is below the cloud. The turtle is dash the ship. Here is the turtle you can see in your book, in your workbook. Here is the ship. So the turtle is where? Below or above? Yes, very good. Below the ship. So you can write the turtle is below the ship. Here you can see the spider is dash the window. So you can see here spider, you can see window. So spider is below or above the window? Yes, spider is above the window. So you can write here above. So you should read the questions properly and solve all these questions. So this is your homework. You should solve it in your workbook, otherwise in your notebook. Use color pencils to color, and to fill these blanks you use only pencils. When you writing this, you should write it properly with neat and clean. So students, I hope all of you understood. If you don't understood, then once again watch the video properly. After that also you don't understood, then you can message me through WhatsApp, and you can also comment in my videos. I can again clear all your doubts. So read properly in your home. Thank you students.